Now, helping eliminate viable microbial life, including bacterial spores, begins with a wave of your hand. Introducing the enspire 3000 series cleaning and liquid chemical sterilant processing system. The first and only automated endoscope reprocessor delivering liquid chemical sterilization with a validated cleaning claim to help eliminate viable microbial life, including bacterial spores, on validated reusable endoscopes. Supporting infection prevention best practices, sterilization allows elimination of C. diff and CRE, which are sources of hospital-acquired infections. Beginning with a slide of a foot and a wave of the hand, say goodbye to microorganisms and hello to fewer manual cleaning steps and efficient automated cleaning and liquid chemical sterilization in just 38 minutes. Say hello to easy integrated workflow that guides you every step of the way. Intuitive, apparent, minimal touch points. Say hello to reprocessing flexibility and scalability integrated department-wide, so you're procedure-ready. Say hello to endoscope reprocessing to the highest standard of care. With the first and only automated endoscope reprocessor, delivering liquid chemical sterilization with a validated cleaning claim.